Hello, question folks. GL350 2015 Android screen fitted, Chinese screen, Android 10, yeah. As you can see, all works really well. I've now got the rotary knob to work with all of it, which is really good. Apart from if the ignition isn't on, just the accessory, the left and right, up won't work on the command. When I put the ignition on, it works. Okay, and here's another thing, and it's linked to the reversing camera, because if I select OEM reversing camera, then all works okay. But if I select aftermarket, which is what I've got, let me show you, up she comes. Okay, no problem. It all works, the lines work, look. So when I then go back to the park, about 5 seconds, I think the menu says, back she comes. Right, perfect. Watch what happens now when I turn the ignition off. Right, it's now stuck on that. Don't matter what I do, it's stuck. I've pressed the radio button, but stuck. So, what's going on, folks? I've tried everything. CAN bus measure, settings. The only way to do it is turn it off, take the key out, and then leave it for about 20 seconds. Can't be a wiring issue. I thought accessory and constant live, and I've been through the whole lot. There's nothing that's switched. I think it works through the CAN bus. As I say, I've tried all the CAN bus settings. If I select OEM camera, it all works fine. The aftermarket, purely a phono cable going in, video in. There's the supply to the camera. It's just taken, it transmits it from the boot. It was on the car when I bought it. If I now go back, look, so I've not touched any wiring or anything. So if I then go back, she comes back normally. But as soon as that ignition goes on and you put it in reverse, that's it. As soon as you take it out of reverse and you turn the ignition off, so let's say you pull up and you want to basically just listen to the radio, you can't without turning it all out. Or you can, but you can't see the display because it's stuck on reversing camera. Any guidance, folks, would be really appreciated. Any ideas? Thank you.